So we continue with sum number 13 of exercise 16.4. So that is sum number 13. A certain quantity of wood costs 250 rupees per meter cube. A solid cubical block of such a wood is brought for 182.25. Calculate the volume of the block and use the method of factors to find the length of one edge of the block. So you got over here that the cost of 1 meter cube is equals to rupees 250. Therefore, cost of x meter cube is equals to rupees 182.25. So we know over here that 250 into x is equals to 182.25. So x is equals to 18225 upon 100 into 1 upon 250. So we take it as 25 tens are 25 sevens are 175. So that will be 72 will be again 2s are 50, and then 225 will be 9s. So that is nothing but x is equals to 729 upon 1000 meter cube, or is equals to 0.729 meter cube. So we have got that this is a block of wood, a cubical block of wood. So accordingly we know that if this is the cubical block of wood, I know that volume is equals to 0.729 meter cube. Therefore, A cube is equals to 0.729 meter cube. Therefore, A will be is nothing but 9, or you can say 0.9 meters, because 9 into 9 into 9 is 729. So that gives me as the one edge is 0.9 meters. That is sum number 13. We now move on to sum number 15. A rectangular container whose base is a square of size 6 stands on a horizontal table and holds water up to 1 centimeter from the top. When a cube placed in the water when a cube is placed in the water and is completely submerged, the water rises to the top and 2 centimeter cube of the water overflows. Calculate the volume of the cube. Okay, so now we need to understand this thing properly. What has happened? Let's understand this thing के exactly क्या हुआ है. Rectangular container है जिसका base is 6. So we have this container. I'll take this as a container. There is a square container over here जहाँ पे ये जो है 6 centimeters है. And they are given that it holds water up to 1 centimeter from the top. यानी water is going to be there. This is 1 centimeter. यहाँ तक water है. And then they say that when a cube is placed in the water and is submerged, what will happen? Suppose I take a cube over here, I take a cube and put it inside. This is a cube which I put inside. So what happens? The water comes to this level, and over and above that there is an overflow of water of 2 centimeter cube. See, this is something similar to Thirsty Crow. You know the story of Thirsty Crow? What happened in Thirsty Crow? The crow was thirsty and he wanted to drink water from a pot which had got very little amount of water. So what he did? He put some stones inside. When he put the stones inside, the water level raised. What was the rise in water level? Equal to the volume of the stones. So here also, whatever is the volume rise in the water level over here is equal to the volume of the cube. So we first of all write over here that volume of cube is equals to rise in water level plus overflow. Because here it is not only a rise in water level, but some of the part of the water is overflowing. So because it is overflowed over there, that's why we need to take that overflow part also. So accordingly we see that rise in water level. What is the rise in water level? That is the area of this much part of the, what is that much part? That is length is equal to 6. So it is length into breadth into height plus 2 overflow. So length is 6, breadth is 6 and height is only 1 centimeter because that was the 1 centimeter which was pending, plus 2. So that is 36 plus 2 is equal to 38 centimeter cube is the volume of cube. So the volume of the cube is 38 centimeter cube. Okay, that was sum number 15. Did you understand this thing? पहले यहाँ तक पानी था, जैसे मैंने इसके अंदर क्यूब को डाला तो पानी ऊपर आया प्लस ओवरफ्लो हुआ. कितना ओवरफ्लो हुआ? 2 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब. और कितना ऊपर आया? कंप्लीट इधर भर गया. कितना जगह बाकी था? 1 सेंटीमीटर बाकी था. तो यानी ग्लास इतना तक भरा हुआ था, जैसे ही मैं उसमें डाला तो ऑटोमेटिक ग्लास पूरा भर गया. तो इतना एरिया was nothing but the volume of the cube plus 2 centimeter cube. That is why rise in the water level is length into breadth into height. That is this area. Understood? Good. Next one, sum number 17. A cube of metal is 6 centimeters edge is melted and casted into a cuboid of base 9 into 8. Find the height of the cuboid. So we can see over here that there is volume of cube is equals to volume of cuboid, because the cube is being recasted into a cuboid. That's why volume of cube is equals to volume of cuboid. So here it is side cube is equals to L into B into H. The side is given to you as 6. So 6 into 6 into 6 is equals to 9 into 8 into H. So 6 into 6, 6 into 6 into 6 upon 9 into 8 is equals to H. So 3 2s are 3 3s are 3 2s are, then 4 2s are 2s are 3s are. So H is equals to 3 centimeters. So the height of the cuboid will be 3 centimeters. Very simple sum. Sum number 19. A field is 30 meter long and 18 meter broad. A pit 6 meter long and 4 meter wide and 3 meter deep is dug out of the middle of the field, and the earth removed is evenly spread over the remaining area of the field. Find the rise in the level of the remaining part of the field in centimeter up to 2 decimal points. Okay, let's understand this thing. This is a field. The field has got a length of 30 meters and the width of 18 meters. And inside there is a pit which is made like this, which is 6 meters by 4 meters, and the depth over here is 3 meters. Now whatever was the amount of the soil which they came out was spread evenly in this area. So that means the spread होने के बाद में you will have a layer, there will be a layer on top of it. इसके ऊपर ऐसे एक layer आ जाएगा इस तरह से. यानी क्या हुआ कि इतना जगह, इतना जाड़ा लेयर बन गया, जो सॉइल इसमें से निकला उसको स्प्रेड करने के बाद, यानी क्या हुआ, आई टुक द सॉइल, I dig something. After digging out, what I did, whatever soil was removed, I spread it around that particular hole what I dig. Okay, so यहाँ से अगर मैंने जितना भी soil निकाला, the volume which I spread over, what I took out over here, was the volume spread over here, right? So the volume of the pit. So first of all, we know the volume of the pit. So it is L is equals to 6 meters. B is equals to 4 meters and H is equals to 3 meters. So volume of soil is equals to L into B into H is 6 into 4 into 3. So that is 72 meter cube. So this is the amount of soil which is taken out. Now what is the cross section of the, ये इसको छोड़ के बाकी का एरिया का क्रॉस सेक्शन क्या है? क्रॉस सेक्शन of field with pit is equals to area big rectangle minus area small rectangle. That will be equal to length into breadth minus length into breadth. This is 30 into 18 minus 6 into 4, that is 30 into 18, that is 540 minus 24, so that will be 516 meter square. The volume of the soil is this one. So now volume of soil is equals to volume of layer. So that is 72 is equals to cross section into height. So 72 is equals to 516 into height. So 72 upon 516 is equals to height. Okay. I think, right. So this will be 72 0.14 के आसपास में आना चाहिए. Let me check इधर. This exercise 16.419. Yeah, that's right. So that's it. You just have to divide it. So when you divide it over here, 5 and 6 and the 72. So one's so first of all it will be 0. So 0 and then it will be, yeah, so 0 to 0 हो जाएगा. Then one's 5 and 6 and then it will be 4 0 2 and then 2 0 4 and then 0. So it will be 3's so it will be 5 15 48. So 1548. So that will be 1548 will be equal to 10. So 2 and 3 13. So 9 and then 10. No, 10 5. Okay, then it will be 0 again. So it will be 9's. Yeah, so this is sufficient enough. But anyway, it will be coming as 5 later on, so it is. So it will be H is equals to 0.1395, that is nothing but 13.9 meters में है, so it will be 13.95 centimeters. That will be the thickness of the layer which is usual. So ये लाल कलर का जो layer जो बनता है, that is equal to 13.95 centimeters. Right, so this was a typical sum, very important one, mark it. So this was sum number 19. We move on to sum number 21. Sum number 21. The inner dimension of a closed wood box are 2 meters, 1.2 meters and 0.75 meters. The thickness of the wood is 2.25 centimeters. Find the cost of the wood required to make the box if 1 meter cube of wood is costing this much. Okay, so inner dimensions are given to you and the thickness is given to you. So you can know that. Okay, first of all, you know that inner dimensions. So L is equals to 2 meters, breadth is equals to 1.2 meters, is equals to 200 centimeters, is equals to 120 centimeters, and height is equals to 0.75 meters is 75 centimeters. Thickness is equals to 2.5 centimeters. So thickness is always on the both the sides. So if you see the box, like if I see the box over here, तो thickness ऐसे होता है. So this is the thickness we are talking about. So the thickness over here is 2.5 and here it is 2.5. So automatically the outer diameter, outer length and what will be how much? Will be addition of 5 to both of them. So accordingly we will be having the length to be equal to 200 plus 5 is equals to 205. Breadth is equals to 120 plus 5 is equals to 125. And height is equals to 75 plus 5 is equals to 80 centimeters. Now area, volume of wood is equals to volume outer minus volume inner. So that is LBH minus LBH. That is 205 into 125 into 80 minus 200 into 120 into 75. That is the volume of the wood required. Okay. So let's calculate this thing. So it is 125 into 8. So it is 5 8s 40. 8 is 16, 20 and 8, 9, 10. So it's 1000. So very good. This is 205 into this is 10,000. 1, 2, 3, 4. Minus the next one is 75 into 12. 75 into 12. 12 60. 12 7 84. 900. So 900 into 2. So that is 9,000. So 9 is 18 and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that will make out the difference to be as 0, 0, 0, 0. 4 0 हो गए. उसके बाद 5 आएगा और उसके बाद 18. So it will be 2 centimeter cube. That is the volume of the wood required. Now volume of wood required is in centimeter cube. I need to convert it into meter cube. So that is volume is equals to 250000 upon. Now centimeter to meter is upon 100, but it is 3 times because centimeter cube है, इसलिए 3 बार लेना पड़ेगा. So that will make out 0.25 meter cube. Is it clear? Did you understand this one? See, अगर मैंने यहाँ पे जैसे मैंने इसको 100 से मल्टीप्लाई किया, इसको भी 100 से मल्टीप्लाई किया, इसको भी मल्टीप्लाई किया, वैसे यहाँ पे भी अभी मैं डिवाइड करता हूँ. We have to divide for this one, all 3 of them. So that will be 100, 100, 100 division. That's why centimeter cube to meter cube will be multiplied by 10 raised to minus 6. So 0.25. Now they are given you the cost. The cost is given you to you as 5,400 per meter cube. So cost is equals to 0.25 into 5,400. So it is 25 upon 100 into 5400. So that will be 25 into 54. So 54, 25 is 100 and 125, 135. So it will be rupees 1350. That would be the answer for sum number 21. So sum number 21, the cost will be 1,350 rupees. That was sum number 21. We now move on to sum number 23. Okay, sum number 23. A square brass plate of side x centimeters is 1 mm thick and weighs 4725 grams. If 1 cc of brass is 8.4, find the value of x. So 1 cc is equals to 8.4 grams. Therefore x, no, how many cc? Yeah, x cc is equals to 4725 grams. So x into 8.4 is equals to 4725 into 1. So x is equals to 4725 into 10 upon 84. Oof. Okay, that is like this. And the next thing what we have is centimeter cube. Fine, इसको अभी 7, 14, 18, 9 नहीं होगा. ठीक है, 3 से ट्राई करके 9. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 12 is 4 नहीं होगा. Okay, now let's do one thing. We'll keep it as it is right now. So we know that volume is equals to 4725 upon 0 upon 84. Okay. Now we also know that volume is equals to, they given you that it is a square plate with a base, so it will be length into breadth into height. So it is 47250 upon 84 is equals to x into, now this is 1 mm. They again 1 mm as the thickness. So 1 mm को centimeter में कटोगे तो you divide by 10. So it is 1 upon 10. So that will make it as 27500 upon 84 is equals to x square. Very bad. Quite a rough calculation. 23rd. Okay, let me check this out. Let's see if it is divisible directly. So 5 4s are 20 and 8 42. So this 420 5s and that will give me as 2 and 5 and 5 and 0. So that will be 6. So it will be, if I take it as 6, that will be 6 for 24, 48, 50, 504. So it will be 5040 upon, this will be 0, this will be 1, this will be 2, and then 0 comes here. So this will be point over here, 5 6 नहीं point नहीं आएगा. So this will be 0 and again 2 से आएगा. Sorry, this is only this much. What did I do? One second. ये नहीं आएगा 0. 504 हाँ. अच्छा. So this is 210. So it is 2s. So it is 168. So that will be again 10, so 2 and 0 to 10, yani 420. Yeah, so there's 420 again, so 5. Yeah, that's right. So 5625. So you get over here 5625 is equals to x square. Therefore, x will be equal to 75 centimeter. Okay, so x is 75 centimeter because 75 square is 5625. Good. So that was sum number 23. Now we move on to sum number 25. Okay, sum number 25. The area of cross section of a pipe is 3.4 centimeter. Water flows in a pipe at the rate of 40 centimeter per second. So cross section area is equals to 3.5 centimeter square, and the rate of flow is equals to 40 centimeter per second. That means that if the pipe is there and I pause, if I am able to have some power कि मैं उसको pause button दबा सकूँ, pause button दबा तो 1 सेकंड के लिए मैंने pause किया तो पाइप कितना तक भरा रहेगा, 40 सेंटीमीटर तक भरा रहेगा. So the height is 40 centimeter for 1 second. So we can see over here that volume of water per second is equals to cross section into rate. So that is 3.5 into 40. Because ये भी सेंटीमीटर में है तो 40 में ही रहेगा. So it is 3.5 into 4 is 14. So it's 140 centimeter cube. That is per second. What is the question? How much water is delivered in 1 minute? So therefore volume per minute is equal to 140 into 60. So there is 14 into 6, that is 84. Centimeter cube. Now I know that 1000 centimeter cube make 1 liter. 1000 centimeter cube is equal to 1 liter. Therefore volume is equal to 8.4 liters. Right, so that is the water delivered. Water delivered over here will be 8.4 liters. Yes. We now move on to the last sum, that is sum number 26B. Okay, we are going for 26B. They are given over here. The figure is a cross section of a concrete wall. So there is a concrete wall like this, like of a dam, such that this is 2 meters, this is 6 meters, and this is 3.5 meters. So you can see it is a nothing but a trapezium, and so we need to find out that if the height of and the length of the thing is 4 meters. So we have got over here that length is equal to 400 meters. So very simple. Cross section is equal to area of trapezium. So what is area of trapezium? Half into sum of parallel sides into height, which is 1 upon 2. 2 plus 3.5 into height is 6. So this is 3. This is 5.5 into 3. 5 is a 15. 15, 16. 16.5 centimeter square. Therefore, meter square. Now we need the volume. Volume is equal to cross section into length is equal to 16.5 into 400. So 4 5s are 20, 4 6s are 12, 6 4s are 24, 24, 25, 26, 4 5 6. So 6,600 meter cube of concrete will be required to build the wall. So cross section area was 16.5 meter square, and the volume of this will be 6,600 meter cube. That was sum number 26. We now move on to the last sum, That is sum number 27. Sum number 27. A swimming pool is 50 meter long, 15 meter wide. Its shallow end is 1.5 meter and 4. So it's a very simple thing over here, that there is the swimming pool which is like this, but the shallow part is like this and the deep part is like this. So the swimming pool looks like this. Okay, let's remove this one so you're not getting confused. Right, so cross section is a trapezium. So what are the data given to you? That a swimming pool is 50 meters long. So this is 50. It is 25 meters wide. Sorry, 15 meters wide. The shallow and the deep end are 1.5 meter. This is 1.5 and this is 4.5. We need to find out the amount of water which is filling. So amount of water is equals to volume of pool. Volume is equals to cross section into breadth. Cross section is half into 1.5 plus 4.5 into h is 50 into the breadth is 15. So that's 25. This is 6 into 25 into 15. This is 150 into 15 is equals to 2250 meter cube. So the volume of the water will be 2250 meter cube. So that was the end of the chapter. This was the end of the 16.4 exercise. So you can see that this was the last sum, right? So you can go through this thing properly, and in case of any doubts you can let me know. Okay, this was the end of the chapter, mensuration. So we had done the mensuration ka the first part, that is A and B, we had done it earlier before the vacation, and the C and D part, that is the 3 and the 4, 16.3 and 16.4, we just completed right now. So that was the end of mensuration.